showing you guys how to make a Pongal special frisbee. So this is a very easy way of making a paper Pongal frisbee and it is useful too. So this frisbee contains of a sun at the background and it also contains 2 trees over here and a Pongal pot in the middle, and it also says Happy Pongal on the top. So this is a very special Pongal craft as well. So now without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this beautiful and cute Pongal special frisbee. So first, for this activity, I'm just going to be taking a small square piece of paper of yellow color. So now I'm just going to be taking a glue bottle or anything. So I'm just going to be taking it to draw a circle. So you guys can take anything you like. So now I'm just going to be placing the glue bottle over here in the center of this paper, and I'm just going to be drawing a circle gently like this. So I'm going to be drawing the circle using this glue bottle, as I said. So you guys can use any material you like. If you're going to be making it in a bigger size, you can take a bigger glue bottle, or you can even take a bangle or a compass or anything you wish to take. So now I'm just going to be taking a scissor and I'm cutting it out slowly like this. So please be careful while using a scissor because there are many incidents in which many children cut their fingers. So now I just cut it out so we get a yellow circle like this. So I'm just going to be keeping this yellow circle aside and I'm going to be taking a small rectangular orange piece of paper. So I'm just going to be placing it over here and I'm going to be drawing a circle like this. So I'm going to be drawing it gently and slowly like this. So please draw it slowly so that the pencil mark doesn't come in this paper. So now I'm just going to be drawing a few lines around this circle like this. So these are for the sun. So I'm just going to be drawing it slowly all around the circle, slowly like this. So now I'm just going to be taking a piece of cardboard like this, and I'm just going to be cutting this paper at the corner part, and I'm going to be applying some glue onto the back portion part of the paper over here. So I'm just applying glue on the back portion. I'm taking this part and I'm sticking it gently over here. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be taking a scissor and I'm cutting it out. So please not cut it appropriate as we did as you drew the lines, because it may not be perfect all the time. So just cut it randomly. So if you do not know how to cut it randomly, just follow the lines. So I'm just going to be going a little bit past the lines because some of the lines are not perfect. So I'm cutting it slowly like this. So this will take a lot of time, so please do it slowly. So as I said, there are many incidents in which children cut their fingers while using a scissor, so please be careful. So if you are very small, so please ask an adult to help you for cutting. So this will take a lot of time, so you can fast forward the video if you like. So I'm just going to be cutting it out gently from all the sides like this. So please make sure that all the spots are equal in measure, because if one of the parts is bigger and another is small, it won't look nice. So I'm going to be cutting it out all throughout the paper. So if you guys want, you could just cut the paper from the paper first, then you can stick it onto the cardboard and you can cut it. But it's a very time consuming process if you do like that. So I prefer you guys just cut it at once like this. So I'm just going to I only have a little bit more to do. So I'm just going to be making it in a really small size since it's just a craft. So if you guys are going to be doing it if you're going to stick it onto your room or you're going to gift it to someone, you can make it in a bigger size. So you can also just put a small hole at the top part of the sun, and you can just put a small string on top and you can use it to hang it somewhere. So I'm just going to be cutting it out gently like this. So we only have a little bit more. So I'm saying again, please be careful while cutting. So this is the last cut. So after we complete this, our sun will be ready. Now I'm just going to be applying some glue at the center part of the paper over here. So if you guys see, the back part of the cardboard is white, so you guys can stick paper over there as well. Now I'm just going to be taking the small yellow circle that we cut out and I'm sticking it onto the middle. So also please wash your hands after you use a scissor. Now I'm just going to be taking my pencil or the rubber and I'm going to be erasing these lines over here, these marks. So if you guys have, you can erase that, or you can just color it in orange mode. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be decorating it. So this is the last part, decoration. So I'm just going to be taking a green marker, a light brown and a dark brown piece of paper. So first I'm just going to be taking the dark brown marker, and I'm going to be drawing a small oval like structure like here. Now I'm just going to be drawing 2 lines coming out from it, and I'm just going to be drawing a jug like part at the bottom. So now I'm just going to be cutting it in. So this is for the pot. So if you guys don't know what Pongal is, you guys can Google search it. So it's like a harvest festival. So they praise the sun for that. So I'm just going to be just do a sun for that. Now I'm just going to be drawing 2 rectangles like this, and I'm going to be drawing another rectangle from this side as well. So now I'm just going to be closing this marker, and I'm taking another light brown marker. So as you guys can see, I'm using light brown. So you guys can take the same marker as well. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be taking a green marker, dark green, and I'm just going to be drawing a few lines coming out from this brown. So it will look like a tree. So at last, I'm just going to be taking a white piece of paper, and I'm just going to be cutting out. So this is like some white things coming out from the pot for Pongal. So I'm going to be cutting it in a really small size since my pot is also small. I'm just going to cut it out like this, and I'm going to be sticking it over here. So if it's big, you guys can cut it more small like this, slowly like this. I'm just going to cut it down more small, and this will fit the pot. So now I'm just going to be applying some glue on the back portion of part of the paper over here. And I'm just going to be using my fingers to spread the glue, and I'm sticking it over here. So after we complete this, our paper Pongal Frisbee is ready. So you guys can even write Happy Pongal at the top. So I don't have space, so I'm just going to be leaving it like this. So if you guys not like playing Frisbee, you could just put a hole over here as I said, and you can hang it on any way you'd like. So after we complete this, our paper Pongal Frisbee is ready. So this one's big in size and this one's small. So you guys can do it in any size you'd like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. Thank you for watching. Bye.